Welcome to Fantasy Garden. In this first episode, I'm going to show you how to crochet a cute Aries Zodiac symbol with daisy flowers like this. You can use this piece as a keychain or make it as a small handmade gift. Hi everyone, welcome back to my crochet tutorial channel, Mayy Crochet. Here are the materials you will need. Let's get started. First, we are going to crochet the Aries Zodiac symbol. I'm using pink yarn. Make a magic ring. Crochet 6 single crochets into the magic ring. At the end of each row, slip stitch to finish the row, then chain 1 to start the next row. I will not repeat this in the following rows. Row 2, crochet 1 single crochet in every stitch, and from row 2 to row 14-7, you will crochet the same way. After finishing, cut the yarn and leave a long tail. Insert the wire inside the piece. Then, use a yarn needle to sew the opening closest. Shape the piece with the Y into the Aries symbol. Next, we will crochet the daisy flowers. I'm using white yarn. Make a magic ring and crochet following this pattern. Chain 3. Skip 1 stitch. Make 2 slip stitches. Then slip stitch into the magic ring. Repeat this pattern 6 times to create 6 petals. Then chain 1 to finish. Cut the yarn, then use hot glue to secure it to the back of the flower. Make 2 flowers the same way. Use a short piece of yellow yarn, tie a knot, and use a yarn needle to sew it into the center of flower to make the flower core. Next, we will crochet the leaves. Make a slip knot, then chain 4. Skip 1 stitch. Make 1 slip stitch. One half double crochet. And 1 1 single crochet. Next, chain 1. Make 1 slip stitch into the same stitch. Then chain 1. Cut the yarn and weave in the end. Repeat the same steps to make 3 leaves. Shape the piece with the wire into the Aries symbol. You can add a little hot glue in the middle to make the symbol sturdier. After finishing on the parts, use hot glue to attach everything together like this. And now we have finished the Aries Zodiac symbol with daisy flowers. If you finished your piece, please leave a comment and interact with the video to support me. Stay tuned for the next zodiac signs in the upcoming episodes. And bye bye. If you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe to follow my next tutorials.